Hey up, so it's May 11th, it's starting to get warm. Now I think we're going to get a 96-degree day Wednesday, and pool cover's on. I know it's going to be green, so I'm going to take the cover off, see how green it is, and then clean the pool and see how long it takes me. So I'll bring you along. Okay, so I've got this tool to undo the springs. Okay, so that looks pretty nasty. Okay, so I've got the three-way valve set to come off this way. Goes in my drain pipe that'll go out to the front. So I'm going to prime this pipe and then get going. Okay, so first pass, got most of the trash out. I can deal with that with the filter. So just the other bit now. So after an hour and a half vacuuming yesterday, the pool looks like that. So now you have to maintain these too. So do not just screw it back down, take it off. And you've got dust and dirt. I just run my finger through it. Fingernail. Run your finger around the edge. And then just screw it back in. Okay, so we're at the 24-hour point now. Been about 5 hours work. Taking the cover off, folding it, screwing these down, and a total of all the kind of 3 vacuuming. Still got a little bit to go. A little bit cloudy. And there's some hard-on stuff that I'm going to have to get a better broom to get off. But I'm kind of happy for 24 hours. I think you could almost jump in this now. Okay, so the pH is, I'm going to leave it like that. It looks pretty good. Probably need a little bit more chlorine in. Pre-chlorine, chlorine. They're a little bit, I'd like a little bit higher. That's okay, and this a little bit low, and that's stabilizer. So I'm going to put a little bit more chlorine in. So I'm about at the 6 hour mark now. I've got the main pump on and it's circulating water. A little bit hazy, but that'll go away by the morning time. I'm kind of happy with it. So 24 hours, it's swimmable now. Okay, so it's 5 days after I took the cover off. We'll walk around the pool and take a look. Really happy with it, crystal clear, and I'm just doing a vacuum. It's May and the cottonwoods are releasing this ball of cotton and it'll clog up your sand filter. So I'm going to show you in a minute what to do. Okay, so you can see the cottonwoods floating around there. I'm going to vacuum those. Water's clear, crystal clear. I can see the name on the drain. So these are the skimmer bags, just a nylon thing, stretches. I advise everyone to use these, especially when there's cottonwood flying. So there's a big thick mat of cotton on that. So okay, so I vacuumed the pool. You can see the writing on the vacuum. Crystal clear. I'm happy with this.